you can offer them and talk with them very clearly. Your budget is low, okay, no problem, I can make it, but I'll give you a Stocklot fabric, a Stocklot accessories, non-compliance factory, then it will come in $1.8 or $2. Are you agree? If buyer say yes, I'm agree, I will give you 10 cent more as per your commission, please do it for me, then you go to that process. But don't misguide buyer, don't dishonor buyer, don't break your commitment with buyer. Everything you should take proper in written by mail or fax. You should take every single permission from buyer, because buyer is investing for his business, not for your business. What you are earning as per your work, but this is not your business, this is buyer's business. Always remember it. Everyone makes mistake. I have got an order from a big buyer, I will earn within a short time and then will be rich and my family will give me club, I will buy a car, I have given a trading house or buying house. This is 100% a bullshit, bad practice, bad dream, bad mentality. Don't do it. First you have to think, anyhow I have to keep my commitment to any customer or buyer. If they respect me, they excuse me, they will give me some order, I will do as my assignment, I will do my assignment properly. If I can do my assignment properly, people will trust me, people will rely me, people will be happy with me, they will give me payment, they will give me respect, and formally I will develop in my business or personal life or financially. That's the thing. So I have talked every single point of product, business, mentality, and in this friendly talk I have also talked about every single bad practice and bad mentality of garments buying house business and cheating or everything. So negative things are in it more, so that both buyer, trading house or buying house or factory, everyone can learn that if you are a businessman, you must have to be honest with your mentality and activity. That is the only thing you can survive. Otherwise, today you will earn, tomorrow you will fall, and that is not the definition of a businessman. That is not the definition of a professionalism, right? So I hope you will understand it. You will not mind any bad talk of me about anything bad practice anyone doing. I'm not directly blaming anyone, but this is going on. These bad practices and bad mentality is going on. Only I'm talking in this video to make aware every single one, factory owner, buying house or trading house or buyer, to become more careful, more respective, and work in documents only, not in oral. Everything should have documentation, and then things will be successful and beautiful. So I hope everyone have learned the critical points and costing, low cost, mid cost, high cost, how it is done, it is possible or not possible, every single point. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and my name is KHANJ from Bangladesh, Dhaka city. My company name is KHANJ Global, KHANJ Trading, another company. And if you are interested to work with us or talk with us, if you don't no need to business with us, don't shy. You can, any good or bad situation or technique or any business policy or to overcome any guideline, as a friend or brother, you can call me to my mobile or WhatsApp me, WhatsApp, Viber, Imo, everything is by my mobile number, that is +8801 8255 81451. Again I repeat, +8801 8255 81451. 451. You can get me on WhatsApp, Viber, Imo, everywhere. Then in Google, Facebook, or any search engine, you can search us by KHANJ Global, KHANJ space GLOBAL, or you can visit www.khanj.com. So I hope you'll like to talk with me face to face or chat with me for any kind of critical issue, banking, shipment, or logistics. On another thing I have forget to tell you that there is most of the buying house at the end moment they are earning from logistics and custom services. This is also very bad practice. Bad practice. In every 20 feet container we have seen we have a logistic company of 20 years in Bangladesh, logistics and C&F service there. We have seen lots more buying house are coming or factory are coming. Their officers are taking $50, $100 per 20 feet container, and finally this is a loss of factory, and finally this is a growth of costing, right? Every house, most of the 90% house we got, or 95% house we got, they're taking commission from this logistics and taking it from the buyer. So this is also a bad practice. So I request you, please don't be dishonest. Honesty is the only thing that will bring success. Honesty is the only thing that is called God of good luck, apple of good luck. So please be honest. Don't try to earn from everywhere. Earn from as per your commitment, as per your document. Don't try to earn from wherever you can. You are earning. Please don't earn. Earn as per your commitment and permission. You should have business ethics. You should have business honesty. So this is the good, bad, and ugly things I was talking with you. So if anything hurt you, I'm sorry, but if any one of you are honestly doing everything, I give salute to you, and I must respect your text message or call. You can call me anytime, message me anytime, and if any kind of help, you can call me or contact me. Always best wishes for you, your business and family. If you have kids, lots more love for them. And thank you very much for giving time on this tutorial. Big respect for you. Allah Hafiz.